country people, wonder shall never end. Things they happen, no, not be smart, no. This lady so one that they see for my stream here now, Halima Bubakar. Halima Bubakar, not the sound of my people. Not be smart, no. Na Halima so none that they see for my stream here. Halima not the sound. My people, Halima need prayer. Make una pray for Halima Bubakar. The condition why Halima Bubakar dey, e not good at all again, no. And the person when they call now apostle, that they let apostle know say if anything happen to their sister, say apostle go down. This matter ita igelo, my people. No be smarting. Halima Bubakar really need prayer. Halima Bubakar needs prayer, my people. Make una pray for Halima Bubakar, because the way when she take there now, e not dey okay at all. Not be smarting. Before we go touch like this matter, my first greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If na your first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Okay, my country people, everything na apostle na that they drag now. Say na apostle na he do their sister like this. May apostle may he leave Abubakar alone, because the way when Abubakar take dinner, even the contour say the obara when Abubakar when they come out for Abubakar body, say not be small obara, say the condition when Abubakar dey, say the condition not be here. Hey, may God save her, because wetin this lady need now our prayer. Now our prayer now Abubakar need. I never see this kind of a thing before, and they call Abubakar na may he can't debunk the news, may she can't say na lie. Not be smarting, and the Halima not agree debunker. Halima they say na still apostle na he doing this thing. I not can understand, my country people, how this matter be. My country people, get as this matter be. Not be smarting, no. This matter itai igele. I never see this kind of a thing before. And those of una when still they follow married men, make una stop. They follow married men, make una stop. Especially all this Nigeria Lollywood actress, they go they buy Lamborghini, they buy houses, acquire this, acquire that. Make una suffer the way one at they find money. Make una come see wetin come dey happen now. Make una come see. Now here now I want talk show my people. Now here now I want leave una. Only wetin she need for us now prayer. May she recover for this one when she dey so. Okay, my country people, have a nice day. Guys, don't forget to share this video. Ciao, ciao.